Hi, hello kids. You are watching Wow Facts. I am Pooja. Kids, today I will be sharing some insights and some secret about things you might not know. Have any idea why we get sneeze? Here, somebody can sleep for 3 years. To know all these interesting things, please to watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kids, have any idea why we get sneeze? No? Then come, let's find the answer in this video.
When the inside of your nose membrane gets a message and will send to special part of our body, and the brain sends message to all the muscles, so when it works together, we'll get sneeze.
Kids, have you ever tasted sea water? Did you know why it tastes salty? Let me clear all your doubts in this video.
When the rain flows over the land, the water washes salt and other minerals out of the rocks and get mixed with the water in the streams, rivers, etc. The river finally carries the salt to the sea, so seawater gets salty.
Kids, how many hours you can sleep? Maximum 6 hours or 10 hours, but here is someone can sleep for 3 years. Do you want to know who that is? Then come, let's find the answer in this video.
In the nature, you can find more than 43,000 different snails which are living in the land and water, and snails can live for 5 to 25 years. Snails need moisture to survive. So, if the weather is not cooperating, they can actually sleep for up to 3 years.
As I hope you all got right answers and enjoyed today's Wow Fact video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.